It provides a snapshot of a company's financial health at a specific point in time, listing what it owns, what it owes, and the amount invested by shareholders. 1. The fundamental accounting equation. The entire balance sheet is built on a simple, unbreakable mathematical identity. This equation must always balance. If a company buys an asset, it must either pay for it with cash, another asset, take on debt, a liability, or use investment from owners' equity. 2. Components of the balance sheet. A. Assets, what the company owns. Assets are resources with economic value that a corporation owns or controls with the expectation that they will provide a future benefit. They are categorized by liquidity, how fast they can be turned into cash, current assets, short-term assets expected to be converted into cash within 1 year. Cash and equivalents, money in the bank or highly liquid T-bills. Accounts receivable, money owed to the company by customers for goods sold on credit. Inventory, raw materials or finished goods ready for sale. Non-current assets, long-term assets that provide value for more than 1 year. Property, plant and equipment, PP&E, land, buildings, and machinery. Intangible assets, patents, trademarks, and goodwill. B. Liabilities, what the company owes. Liabilities are the company's legal financial debts or obligations. Current liabilities, debts due within 1 year. Accounts payable, money the company owes to suppliers. Short-term debt, bank loans or commercial paper due soon. Long-term liabilities, obligations due after 1 year. Bonds payable, long-term debt issued to investors. Deferred tax liabilities, taxes that have been calculated but not yet paid. C. Shareholders' equity, the net worth. Equity represents the amount of money that would be returned to shareholders if all assets were liquidated and all debt paid off. Retained earnings, profits the company has reinvested in itself rather than paying out as dividends. Share capital, the money investors paid to the company when shares were first issued. 3. Numerical example and calculation. Let's build a balance sheet for a hypothetical company, Tech Nova Corp, as of December 31, 2025. Step 1. List the assets. Cash, $50,000. Inventory, $30,000. Machinery, net of depreciation, $120,000. Total assets equals $50,000 plus $30,000 plus $120,000 equals, Math BF, $200,000. Step 2. List the liabilities. Accounts payable, $20,000. Long-term bank loan, $80,000. Total liabilities equals $20,000 plus $80,000 equals, Math BF, $100,000. Step 3. Calculate shareholders' equity. Using our formula, equity equals assets, liabilities, equity equals $200,000 to $100,000 equals, Math BF, $100,000. Step 4. Final check. Category. Amount. Total assets $200,000. Total liabilities $100,000. Total equity $100,000. Total liabilities plus equity $200,000. The statement balances perfectly. 4. Why this calculation matters. Financial analysts use these numbers to calculate measurement indices or ratios, current ratio, FRAC, text, current assets, text, current liabilities. Measures short-term survival. Debt to equity, FRAC, text, total liabilities, text, total equity. Measures financial leverage and risk. In our example, Technova's debt to equity is 1.0, 100,000, meaning for every dollar the owners put in, the bank put in $1. This is a moderate risk profile. Would you like me to take these numbers and show you how they flow into an income statement to see if Technova is actually profitable?